Weingarts. I'm here today to talk about generators, whether you're using generators for play, for home standby, or for work. Honda makes 4 different series of generators to fit any application. We're going to start with their EU series. The EU are inverter style generators, what they call their super quiet series. The EU series generators are fully enclosed, lower the noise. The inverter technology is a very compact design. And it's very clean technology, so that the power coming out of the generator is very clean, so it's able to run computers and more sophisticated equipment. They offer different models ranging from a 1,000 watt or 2,000 watt, which are very